How to edit a scanned document. Hi everyone, welcome to the tutorial on editing a scanned document. Want to edit text from a scanned document but don't know how? You are in the right place. In this video, we will show you step by step on how to do it using optical character recognition technology. So let's get started. First of all, you need to prepare your scanned document. If you already have a scanned document, ensure it's clear and in PDF format. For this demo, I'll create a scanned document by typing text in Notepad, saving it as an image and converting it to a PDF. And after that, you need to simply open the snipping tool from the Windows search bar. At top bottom left corner, you need to type in a snipping tool and then click on open button. After that, you need to simply select the area that you simply want as your scan document, and after that click on the save icon at top right corner of the screen. Now you need to simply choose the location where you want to save. Now you need to simply file or name the file. After that you need to save the type as JPG file and click on the save button. Once you have done that, you simply need to open the Word document. So using the search tool at bottom left corner, type in Microsoft Word and open your WordPad. Once it gets open, click on blank document. Now you simply need to enter the save JPG and save the document as a PDF via the files and save as menu. So let us click on the insert button at top left corner of the screen, and here you can click on any pictures, and here you need to choose where you have saved your file. Now click on insert button, and once it has been inserted, you simply need to click on file at top left corner, and then you need to click on save as, and here you can choose the location. And here let's type in document and you need to save as type PDF. Now you need to click on the save button at bottom right corner of the screen. Once you have saved it as PDF, now you simply need to open your web browser and simply you need to go to NewOCR.com. And there you simply need to upload your PDF by clicking choose file and selecting your document. And then you have to click preview to load the file, then click the OCR button. Scroll down to see your converted editable text. And with that, editing a scanned document has never been easier, but this tutorial will help you to do it on an easier way. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.